Hey, are you interested in learning? Check out our videos. Want more knowledge content? Make sure you've subscribed to our channel.
All right, so now that we understand how machine learning models learn, let's talk about something even bigger: foundation models. These are the models behind most of the AI you see today, from ChatGPT to image generators, recommendation engines, and more. So, what makes a foundation model different from a regular ML model? Think of it like this. Instead of training a model for one specific task like predicting house prices or detecting spam, a foundation model is trained on massive amounts of diverse data, so it can perform many tasks, sometimes even ones it wasn't explicitly trained for. Imagine teaching a kid not just to recognize apples or bananas, but to read, write, do math, understand stories, and even solve logic puzzles. That's the scale of learning we're talking about here. These models develop a kind of general understanding, a foundation, which can then be adapted for specific tasks. Now, how do they actually work? Foundation models are usually large neural networks trained on enormous datasets: text, images, videos, code, and more. They learn patterns, relationships, and representations across this data. This is why a single model can answer questions, summarize text, translate languages, or even generate images, all because it has learned these relationships from the foundation data. One of the amazing things about foundation models is transferability. You don't need to train a new model from scratch for every single task. You take the foundation model and fine-tune it with smaller datasets for your specific task. It is like giving someone a PhD-level foundation and then just teaching them a new specialization. They learn it incredibly fast because they already understand so much. Another key point is emergent abilities. These are abilities that weren't explicitly programmed but appear naturally as the model grows larger and is exposed to more data. For example, a large language model might suddenly start solving arithmetic problems or generating coherent code snippets, even if it was never specifically trained to do so. This is what makes foundation models so exciting and powerful. They behave in ways we sometimes didn't anticipate. Now, you might be wondering about the real-world applications. Foundation models are everywhere. They power ChatGPT and other conversational AI, generate creative content like images and music, assist in scientific research, and help companies make smarter decisions using predictive analytics. They're the backbone of modern AI systems. But there are challenges too. These models require massive computational resources, huge datasets, and careful monitoring to ensure ethical and unbiased outcomes. And because they are so general purpose, fine-tuning and adapting them responsibly is critical. So, in short, foundation models are like the brains of modern AI. They give machines a general understanding of the world, which can then be specialized for countless tasks. They are why we're seeing AI perform at levels that seemed impossible just a few years ago. If you're looking to work with AI, understanding foundation models is essential. Because whether you're building an AI agent, a chatbot, or an intelligent automation system, these models are often the starting point. And that's it for today's topic on foundation models. If this helped you, like, share, and subscribe, and drop a comment telling me what you'd like to explore next. Maybe multi-agent systems or AI agents in real-world applications.
How did you feel? Is it helpful? Appreciate our efforts in the comment section below. Hit like button, share with your friends about us, subscribe our channel to get further updates. Stay connected with us on social networking sites. For more free tutorials, visit our website www.learneticguide.net.